we are here hunting for Squishies and L.O.L.
And we are where, Natalie?
Walmart.
We are at Walmart. That's right, guys. All right, so we're gonna be hunting for some Squishies. We are in the look for the.
We're on the hunt for the softest slow Squishies.
All right, and also L.O.Ls. Okay, seems to be the L.O.Ls are empty here in our Walmart. Oh, there's one. Yay, we scored one. All right, we got the pet. So let's take it. Let's take it. The last one, Natalie. All right, so let's go and hunt for the soft and low Squishies. So we are trying to start a collection, and then we also heard they're ultra rare, right, Natalie?
Yep.
Ultra Squishies. They call them ultra Squishies. And this is my life. Oh, look, baby alive.
You got the baby alive.
Luna, look, baby alive. Oh, look, little green man. Look, we have a bunch of little green men right here.
I made an army like out of paper. Like I drawed it. Oh, look at that! I have the pen here.
What we found? We got the poopies. Let me see poopies. Oh, it's a whole poopy stand. Poogie.
Comment down below, guys, if you guys want to review these poopies.
Look.
I forgot.
Is that the toilet? No way. That's a bathroom. That's a portable bathroom, Natalie. I love these poopies, guys. Comment down below if you guys like us to do a review on these poopies. That's a portable bathroom. Isn't that cool, Natalie?
It puts two poopies. Two compared. I don't know what's in it. And you guys also a bunch of cuties.
And also, and a lot of shoppies, guys. Of course, Wild Style Season 9. Look, they have free Frojo.
Cutie cards.
Let's look for this limited edition cutie cars.
Limited edition. Ooh, street sticker, the cushion, the
What about the one that
truck. What if the bread actually pops up? In here,
we already got that one, guys.
We did a video of this, so go check that out at the end of this video.
That video right there, guys. It'll be at the end of this video, guys. Okay, we'll see you there. Leave us a comment there. We would love to see you there as well. All right, so we are still. What is that one?
I think it's like a hat, like very fast hat.
Hot rod?
Yeah.
Includes mini shopping. Oh, it's so cute with the hat on the top. What else do they have there?
Oh, we have some happy places. A happy place. Paper party stable for the paper.
What's the one on the back?
We got.
Oh, garden party.
Includes exclusive packing.
Oh no, we being attacked by a dinosaur, guys. No, Luna dinosaur. It's attacking us, guys.
I think it's a.
Is that a real dinosaur, Luna?
No.
What is it?
It's an alligator.
Oh, it's an alligator. What is it?
It's a toy.
Right, but what is it? Is it
This is an alligator and a turtle.
a turtle?
And a shark and
Oh,
a dinosaur.
Really? Gosh, really?
Dinosaur.
Turtle, dinosaur, shark. All three in one, guys. Just for you guys. What about the turtle, dinosaur, shark? Help us find some slow and stuff squishies. He got trapped. Oh, he's trying to get some happy places, Luna. He's trying to get some happy places with us. He got any? What does he got?
Yeah, I got it out of his mouth. I got it.
What does he got?
Mouth.
What does he got, Luna?
Yeah, he got a happy places girl.
Which one? Princess Kitty Dance Hall. So he's taking that one?
Yeah, looks like he's taking that one.
Alright, let's keep Project NC Square, guys. This is one of Natalie's fave too, right, Natalie?
Yep.
She loves Project Basic Square too, guys.
That's nothing like her.
She doesn't look like her?
Yeah.
You don't think so? I think so. I think a little bit. I think she does look a little bit like her. Alright, let's...
That girl does not look like Michaela.
She don't look at Michaela either? You don't think so? What about Descendants? Look, guys, there's a bunch of Descendants here. A bunch of them. And also, look, Natalie, Disney Princess on sale right now.
Oh, he got the Tooth Fairy.
Oh, the dinosaur trapped the Tooth Fairy, guys. No, get her out of there. He's gonna eat it. What is it? Oh, by the way, guys, if you've been following us and watching our videos, you may already know that Rapunzel, it's Natalie's favorite princess ever.
One day I want to grow my hair that's so long.
Oh, it's kind of, let me see. It's kind of getting long. What do you guys think? Yep. What do you guys think Natalie's hair?
I have it in a ponytail today.
Do you guys think her hair might look like Rapunzel someday? It's getting there. I think so. So it might look like Rapunzel one day, Natalie. All right, let's keep on hunting.
Oh, look, what happened, places? Oh, we did a video of that, so go check it out.
Oh, that is right, guys. And Belle is one of Mommy Carrot's favorite, guys.
Yep.
So go check that video out right there. It's also right there if you like to see what's in this exclusive Belle home decor, guys. It's so beautiful. I can tell you right now. So make sure you go check that video out. It'll be at the end of this video. Look, they have Vampirina too, Natalie. Uh-oh. Or maybe just somewhere there. Maybe nobody took it.
Alright guys, let's keep on hunting.
What are these? Where are those, Natalie?
So like you put, there's like bubbles in the glove. I think you feel it. Bubbles, solution included.
So it's a glove?
Do that, and then
Oh, the bubbles come out? Oh, really?
You get it?
Let's see what it is. Summer's coming up.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Bring one.
I want to get the bunny.
Want to get the bunny? All right, let's get the bunny.
Me too.
Let's try one first.
Okay.
Okay. You want to get one, Luna? All right, pick one. What do you want? You like penguins? Look for the penguin. Want to get an elephant? All right, get the elephant, Luna. All right, let's keep on hunting.
You guys, look at the dinosaur ate.
No more. Dinosaur won't be eating the little teddy bear, Luna. Look, Natalie. We found Jojo Siwa's bow. Look at this one, holographic, Natalie. Isn't this beautiful?
I love Jojo Siwa.
We love Jojo Siwa. She's a
I
beautiful,
love those.
talented girl. All right,
I
so
like the one where she said, I'll come back like a boomerang.
of course we love her songs.
Oh,
By the way, Natalie did a video of that one where she's dancing like her. So it's a video also right there, guys. Popping up right there right now. Make sure you guys go check it out at the end of this video.
look it. It's a new one. I love to jump in the poppy. It bends, jumps, and walks.
Make it right. Let's see if we can find some over there. Look, Natalie, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Little light beds. Oh, look. And you find Cookie, Luna.
Yeah.
Look, Natalie. Look it. I hatch and hop like a real chick. What do you think?
I feel it's real.
This is going to be awesome, Natalie. You want to open one of those?
Yeah, it's open.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go check the last aisle that we haven't checked. Make it right. And this, bingo, Natalie. We found them. We found them, Natalie.
Oh, the ultra.
We found the ultra rares, guys. Ultra squishy. Let's see, Natalie. Show me. Show us.
I want to see if we have a pizza.
Look in there. Luna, we find them. Come and search.
I found one.
And know the ultra squishy. Show us Show your friends the Ultra Squishies, guys. How the Ultra Squishies look like. Show us, Luna. That's another Ultra Squishy, guys.
You guys, I bought a pizza.
Natalie found her pizza. She was being wanting the pizza for a long time. They have a bunch of stuff and some squishy, guys. Look. And a lot of Ultra Squishies. You got your favorites?
Yeah.
Alright, are we good to go? Are we taking in the Ultras? Look, pick that one up, guys.
Hey, let's take an Ultra.
Look at the Ultra here. There is the blue one.
I want to get an Ultra.
Look, there's a bunch, Natalie. Put your hands in there.
Or should I? I think I would hot dog. I'm gonna get 2 foods.
Gonna get pizza and a hot dog?
Yeah. I want a pizza and a hot dog.
Which one are you taking, Luna?
I want to get the hot dog.
Alright, so we already got the ones we wanted? Look, there's more here. There's a lot more here. And we also found what, Luna? The unicorn Pikmi pop. Show us, Luna. We find a unicorn, guys. The most wanted below unicorn. Where we found it, guys? We were at Walmart.
Okay, guys. So we got the L.O.L surprise pack. We got some bubbles. And we got a Squishy.
And we also found the
Unicorn. Pikmi pop.
Alright, guys, don't forget to go check.
Squishy Pikmi pop.
That's not a squishy. That's the jumbo Pikmi pop.
I accidentally said that.
Alright, guys, so don't forget to go check those videos up right there. Showing up right there at the end of this video.
Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give us a big like.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
We love you.
Okay.